it may take people a year, year and a half, 2 years to get to the point where an employer would trust you to get in that machine and do what we just did. That's the real benefit. We're doing that in 2 days.
One of the biggest challenges in becoming a heavy equipment operator is gaining the necessary field experience. Employers are looking to hire operators, but don't have the time or resources to train them. Mass Hoisting has come up with a solution to this problem with our practical training programs that put you in the driver's seat to gain the hands-on experience employers are looking for.
We're kind of doing it in like an accelerated program for what would happen naturally and organically in the field. So organically, you get hired as a laborer and you'd be in the hole and you'd be watching that person in the machine like I did growing up, right? I was in the hole, I ran the shovel, I ran the laser, I did that. But I'm watching that operator run that machine, and you do that for months, years. We're accelerating that here.
A combination of classroom instruction with hands-on fieldwork and real-life projects lets you walk away with the knowledge that typically only comes with years of on-the-job experience. Our state-of-the-art two-way headsets put our instructor in the cab with you, guiding you through operations so you can learn with confidence.
There you go. All right. Have that locked in, right? Yeah. You know which one's your heel, you know which one's your toe. With your left hand, I want you to swing the cab that way. If you want to get into this world, right? You want to have this career. You go through the natural, organic process that I did. You get hired as a laborer, right? But that's not what you want to do. You want to be an operator, right? You want to make the big bucks, right? But unfortunately, without what we're offering, when you go through whatever job search site that you're doing, like realistically, you're applying to be a laborer. You cannot apply to be an operator. You don't have that experience. But there is that in between. Okay, we're hiring laborers, we're hiring operators, but a lot of companies offer labor/operator. And that's what we're getting these people into, right? So the people that take this class now, and when you're filling out your application, your resume, you are now a labor/operator. So what that's telling the company is that, hey, I can get in this machine, I can operate it safely. Hey, I can shoot grades, I know how to run a laser, I can move the machine, I can dig a hole. You want to put me in a pit all day and have me load trucks? I can do that day one. That's what the students that are completing this course are able to do day one. It's really a big acceleration for